check out my other video for the starters that every cook needs, those 10 little items to begin their kitchen and start their journey on cooking. These are the next level. This is what brings it up to the next level. Let's start with the fabulous cast iron skillet. This is going to be your serious workhorse, searing meats, beautiful vegetables, all kinds of things happen in here. And if you keep cooking on it and keep it seasoned, believe it or not, it gets pretty close to non-stick. The other thing, everybody thinks of a regular spatula. This is called a fish spatula, and the great thing about this is it's very flexible. This is a wonderful item for your kitchen. A ladle for all of the soups, stews you're going to make in the 5-quart pot I talked about before. A ladle, beautiful thing. A lot of recipes call for fresh citrus juice, lemon, lime, a citrus squeezer. This is the great thing. And I'm going to give you a little tip. Everybody thinks, oh, I'm going to put the citrus in this way. No, no. Citrus goes cut side down, so you're squeezing from the skin side down. The juice is going to come out here. And that's the way that works properly. A microplane. This is the perfect tool, actually grating your ginger. You're never going to mince garlic again. Hard cheeses like a good Parmesan, workhorse again. This is a bench scraper. That's what they call them in a pastry kitchen or a commercial kitchen. The great thing about this is once you've chopped, sliced, diced any of those vegetables or items that are going to go into another dish, you use this to pick all of it up and it neatly transports. No more spills. And you won't have to pick up your cutting board either. That's the cool thing about that. Paring knife. This is for the small jobs. Your first knife was going to be your 8-inch chef's knife. This would be your second knife, a paring knife. Also, you're going to want a serrated knife. This isn't just for bread. This is also for hard-skinned vegetables, squash, things like that. And believe it or not, the best tool to slice a tomato. Thin skin, soft fruit, this is the knife. Everybody's kitchen needs a good 2-step corkscrew. 2-step means it's going to catch the cork in 2 different places so that you can lift, screw it down a little bit more, and lift again. Set of kitchen shears, and the important thing about these is that they come apart for cleaning. A set of mixing bowls, stacked mixing bowls, all different sizes. And if you're like me and you love fried food, you are going to want a rack insert for your sheet tray, because then your fried foods come out of that hot frying oil, they sit on the rack, it drains, the air comes up underneath it and keeps it nice and crispy. And that's the next upgrades for your kitchen.